Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Monday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We've got a lot going on this week. We're transmitting from different places, but we'll jump over to Winston Norman in just a minute, back in Warsaw, taking care of all of the action and the news there. Most importantly, I think it's basically retail month this month. We've got the CEE retail guide, Europa Property CEE retail guide going out at MAPIC, which will happen at the end of the month in Cannes. So if you're a retail owner of some locations and you've got some opportunities for retailers, let us know. We want to get you in the guide. Also, the CE and Retail Awards, which is January 27th. Any retailers out there looking to expand, let me know right away. We'd definitely like to get you in the event. We've got a great marketplace where retailers and owners can meet, make deals. We call it our deal making, and one of our partners, Julie Fitzsimmins, is working on that. And then in the evening, we have our gala, our 14th annual Retail Awards Gala, not to be missed. Over 300 people attending. Come and see it. A lot of owners, a lot of retailers mixing, mingling, getting together. So having said that, we'll jump right over to Winston. Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, to talk a little bit about the news and give you the highlights for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big Retail Awards Gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. And here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website. And today we'll start with SIMO Group, who have expanded their portfolio in the Hungarian capital with the acquisition of Budapest Gate. This LEED Gold certified Class A building is around 20,000 square metres and is fully let, and the seller is Market Asset Management, a subsidiary of one of the largest construction companies in Hungary. And according to SIMO, Budapest Gate exactly matches the vision of their high quality, modern, sustainable office buildings which they're acquiring throughout the region, and they're very pleased to expand their portfolio in Budapest. And this property is ESG compliant, which is obviously very important in today's market. And they also go on to say that the annual rental income of the building is currently around 4 million euros. Moving to Albania, and Eastgate Mall has opened in Skopje. During the inauguration ceremony, Samir Main, the president of Balmain Group, expressed his deep gratitude to all the participants in the process that enabled the realization of the investment. And he said, "We are opening the doors to one of the largest commercial spaces in the Balkans. We envisioned Eastgate Mall to be the social and economic pole of the city of Skopje." According to Balmain, the new mall will be the shopping destination for the entire region. The brands and tenants mix are offering one of the most unique in the Balkans, and Eastgate Mall has been designed, and it's designed with quality, and is currently one of the only fifth generation shopping centres in the region. The entire investment in this project is around 350 million euros. Moving to Poland. And Multibox, one of the biggest retail park chains in Poland, has opened a new project in the Polish town of Szamotui. Małsem Polska was responsible for the commercial leasing of the facility, and on an area of around 5,000 square metres, they've leased it to Sinsay, Marta Sport, 4F, CCC, MPIC, SMIC, Rossmann. And according to Maciek Kelmer, he's the vice president of Małsem, he says, "We have attracted attractive brands of chain tenants to Multibox, also those that are not present in the city so far." Moving on, and moving to Hungary and the residential market, where Alpha Group has entered the residential for rent sector, and it is going to develop 2 phases in District 9 with apartments for rent. Residential rent is, as you know, a well-established market segment in Western Europe that has attracted significant interest from institutional investors recently. And this is increasing in Central and Eastern Europe as well, with countries such as Poland, the Czech Republic and Hungary all growing. And Alpha Group has seen the opportunities here and is hoping to become one of the pioneers in Hungary. According to a recent report by Colliers, the existing PR stock in Hungary is significantly below Poland and the Czech Republic. However, this is expected to change in the coming years as a combination of different factors such as rising home prices, social and economic changes, increasing investor interest will encourage more developers to build not only for sale but also for rent. Based on transactional evidence, gross initial yields in the private rental sector are between 4.5 and 5.5% in CE, depending on the location, and they offer attractive, lucrative, low-risk investment opportunities. And finally for today, moving to Warsaw in Poland, and Wolf Tice has moved into the Central Point office building recently developed and opened by Immobel Poland. Wolf Tice is the project's first tenant, and they will lease 1,500 square meters on 2 floors, and they've got access to 150 square meter exclusive terrace. Wolf Tice selected this new location with an eye on business development, sustainability and modernity. This prime office building has been certified with BREEAM Excellent certificate, and so it's a very sustainable building. And it's perfectly placed on top of 2 intersection roads and on top of 2 metro lines. And it's held as Immobel's flagship office development in Poland. And according to Tomasz Stasiak, he's the co-managing partner of Wolf Tice, he says, "We are very excited about this new space and believe that it will be an additional motivating factor for the coming years on our plans for further development." And according to Immobel Poland, they say, "Sustainability is the heart of our vision and future success. This BREEAM Excellent building is designed in accordance with the future-proof strategy and with respect of one of Warsaw's most unique locations." And that's all for the news today. The headlines will be updated throughout the day on the EuropaProperty.com website. Thank you and see you tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.